Medical College, Hyderabad, for the inauguration of our annual national level medical conference, OSMECON, which has now taken its course into 5th edition.
OSMECON aims at pioneering pathways for medical research. We have completed 4 glorious years of academic excellence, creating a platform for students to present their ideas and thereby encouraging interaction among medical undergraduates from all over the nation. Welcome to OSMECON 2014. Sponsored by
Saffola Oats from Marico and National Recognition Committee.
And our knowledge partners are
Osler's Academy.
We would now like to invite our faculty advisor, Dr. Rakesh Sahai, Professor of Endocrinology, to take a seat on the dais. A very student-friendly professor who has never failed to help us out at times of distress. His valuable suggestions and guidance have rescued us from many a situational crisis. Knowing him in person, we have always appreciated the worth of his inputs.
First you have to call We are glad to call upon the stage our chief guest for the day, Dr. C.H. Mohan Rao, Director of CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Please give a big round of applause for him. Sir is an eminent molecular biologist and biophysicist who's a beacon in the Indian Scientific Committee. He attained his doctorate in chemistry in the University of Hyderabad. As a gifted researcher, he showcased his cerebral skills through his career, which is constantly highlighted by several honors collected by him over the years that are coveted by many. He has also been a recipient of the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology in 1999, the highest science award for science and technology. In the past, he has also been a visiting professor at a number of world-renowned institutes, such as the Institute of Health, USA, and the Tokyo Science University, Japan. In his current course as the director of CCMB, Hyderabad, he has helped the institution immensely. Despite all these achievements, Sir remains a humble and modest person.
Further, I invite our guest of honor, Dr. Kalpagam Polasa, Director of NIN, National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad. She has 3 decades of research experience in areas of food safety, hygiene, nutrition, drug interaction, diet and chronic diseases, and also various related fields of nutrition and toxicology. She is a member of various national and international bodies on nutritional health, including the position of WHO Safety Expert on Bhutan and Sri Lanka.
We are sorry to inform that our other guest of honor, Dr. Putta Srinivas, the first Director of Medical Education, Telangana State, couldn't make to the ceremony today because of a meeting with the Chief Minister. We now call upon our Principal, Dr. Ramani, onto the dais. A dynamic person passionate about any form of extracurricular activity apart from academics, which helps in all-round development of a student. Treating us as a part of large family, she always draws us within her warm countenance. Thank you, ma'am, for always being with us.
We now call upon stage Dr. N. Vani, Vice Principal of Osmania Medical College and Head of the Department Biochemistry. Ma'am has been one of the strongest pillars of OSMECON 2014. She has helped us with quick solutions to our troubles and made our fire sailing smoother. Her experience with OSMECON over the past years has aided us immensely. Thank you, ma'am.
We now call upon our faculty advisor, Dr. Pariplavi, HOD of Anatomy, to please come onto the dais. She has been the mastermind behind OSMECON. Ma'am has been supporting us with this event for the past 4 years since its inception in 2010. Even today, despite her busy schedule, she shows an extraordinary amount of enthusiasm in undertaking this endeavor. Thank you, ma'am.
Please give a big round of applause for all the dignitaries on stage.